Hey everyone, today I'm going to compare Fitbod, Strong, Shared, and Gymverse. Fitbod is a fitness app designed to create personalized strength training workouts based on your goals, available equipment, and experience level. It integrates adaptive routines that adjust as you progress, ensuring balanced muscle development and reduce the risk of overtraining. The app provides detailed exercise instructions, including videos, sets, reps, and rest times, making it easy to follow. Fitbod also tracks your performance, logging complete workouts and helping you monitor improvements over time. Its interface is intuitive and user-friendly, allowing seamless navigation between workout plans, progress charts, and exercise libraries. With integration options for health apps and devices, Fitbod offers a comprehensive solution for strength training enthusiasts. Let's discuss its customer feedback on the Google Play Store. The rating for Fitbod on Google Play reflects that most users find the app effective. Many highlight its large exercise library, easy to follow workout plans, and strength training routines that adapt to available equipment and goals. Meanwhile, the Strong app is designed for progressive, barbell routines like starting strengths or strong lifts 5x5, but it can be easily adapted to any workout program. It features a simple interface, a comprehensive library of cardio and strength exercises, and allows users to add custom exercises and routines. The app offers detailed instructions with animated videos, track progress with graphs and advanced statistics, and includes tools like a warm-up calculator, plate calculator, and auto countdown timer. Let's discuss its customer feedback on the Google Play Store. The Strong app has a rating on the Google Play Store, reflecting overwhelmingly positive user feedback. Users praise its intuitive interface, comprehensive exercise library, and effective tracking features, while a minor issue is noted by some reviewers slightly lower the perfect score. On the other side, Shared is a highly acclaimed fitness app featured by Apple, Goop, Rolling Stone, Business Insider, and PC Mac, and recognized with W3 Gold Awards for users' experience, visual design, and mobile fitness. It offers expert-designed workout programs for all goals, from bodybuilding and strength training to home workouts, with detailed exercise instructions to perfect form and technique. The app includes comprehensive progress tracking, a motivating community, and a wide variety of workouts, including HIIT, cardio, yoga, and guided weight training. Shared caters to both gym goers and home workout enthusiasts, making it versatile and user-friendly for all fitness levels. Let's discuss its customer feedback on the Google Play Store. Shared has an impressive rating on the Google Play Store, reflecting outstanding user satisfaction. Reviewers praise its diverse workout programs, detailed exercise guidance, and effective progress tracking, while only a few minor issues prevent a perfect score. The Gymverse workout app helps users optimize their workouts both at the gym and at home, offering custom routines tailored to individual fitness goals and body types. It features a smart trainer that acts as a personal coach, automatic weight optimization, guided plans, and support for supersets and block-based workouts. With over 300 exercises, high-resolution videos, and detailed instructions, users can target specific muscle groups or perform minimal equipment home workouts. The app also integrates with Apple Health to create personalized plans and allow users to add or modify workouts, track progress, and save favorite exercises. Premium access is available through a subscription, offering full access to all workouts and plans. Let's discuss its customer feedback on the Apple Store. The Gymverse workout app has rating on the Apple App Store, reflecting strong user satisfaction. Users praise its personalized workout plans, extensive exercise library, and smart training features, while only minor issues slightly affect the perfect score. Now we will see their pros and cons. Fitbod offers AI-generated workout plans, a large exercise library, and progress tracking, but its free version is limited. AI suggestions can sometimes be inaccurate, and it works best with gym equipment. Strong provides manual logging, flexible routines, and a simple interface. Though it lacks AI coaching, focuses mainly on weightlifting, and has limited free features. Shared features AI-driven plans, a wide variety of strength and cardio workouts, and guided routines, but requires a subscription, can experience occasional glitches, and has limited customization options. Gymverse offers flexible plans suitable for beginners and home workouts, though it has fewer users' reviews, is less polished, and includes limited features. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.